Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum student. I am here with 8th lecture of class 9th and 10th. So, as we have covered in previous lecture, exercise 1.2, some problems remaining I solved today. So, we covered question number 1 and 2. So, today we covered question number 3 and 4 in this lecture. So, question number 3 is that here if A is equal to this values 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the remaining question of exercise 1.2. So, B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Show that means it is necessary to prove part 1 A difference B is equal to A difference A intersection B, and second part is that A symmetric difference B is equal to A difference B union B symmetric difference A. As you know that, as we have called a previous lecture, A symmetric B, this is the left hand side, we have proved in previous lecture. So, only we find this right hand side. So, there is a two parts of this question, one question. So, here we discuss two sides, left hand side and right hand side. So, first we solve the first part, A difference B. So, I solve left hand side, A symmetric difference, symmetric difference. A difference B is equal to A is equal to 2, 3, 4. Now difference is that 2, B is equal to 2, 4, 6 and I only elements of A sets. This is a rule of to find a difference of two sets. So A difference B is equal to 2 and 4 will be cancelled, that we get an element 1, 3. That are difference of two sets A and B. So this side is equal to this values. So again left hand side, right hand side, A difference A intersection B. We have find this values, then it is necessary the answer will is equal to A difference B. So first we find A intersection B. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now intersection of B. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 are intersection of two sets 2 and 4. So then A difference A intersection B, we get this values, we subtract from A. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then subtract from these values of A. 2, 4 intersection of two sets. So 2 and 4 will be cancelled. Then A intersection B is equal to 3 and 4. So no, 3, 1 and 3. Sorry, 2 and 4 will be cancelled. So we get a 1 and 3. You can see on the board the left hand side and right hand side will be equal. That means we prove that. So that means this is necessary, left hand side and right hand side will be equal. So I don't find A symmetric difference B. We know that, and as we have covered our previous lecture and prove that A is difference B. So we only I write A right hand side. So A symmetric B union B difference A is equal to this. So first we find bracket A difference B. So A difference B, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Difference B is equal to, we get a 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2, 4 will be cancelled. Now A difference B is equal to 1, 3. Then similarly we find B difference A, B difference B will equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8 symmetric. Now A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 and 4 will be cancelled. Now B difference A is equal to 6 and 8. So last one is A symmetric, difference B union B difference A. So A difference B is equal to 1, 3, then operation is union. So B difference A is equal to 6 and then apply the union. So 1, 3, 6 and 8. These are element of this side, which means this side is equal to this. Then you can find similar A symmetric difference B. So A symmetric difference B is equal to A union B difference A intersection B. So you can find a similar these values, that answer will be equal to this values. So this question is completed. Here another question is question number 4. Question number 4 in this your book. Prove that we have given a two sets A and B, then prove union and intersection with property of commutative. So for example, question number 4, we have proved that a commutative property, union and intersection. There are two parts. First we write the one part. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Now B is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. Prove that this value. So we know that according to union, so commutative property is that A union B is equal to B union A. It is a necessary left hand side and right hand side will be equal. So A union B, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 union. So B is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. So A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. This is a left hand side. We have to prove this values. A union B is equal to this element. So B union A is equal to similar. We can find 3, 5, 7 and 9. So union is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B union A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. You can see on the board left hand side and right hand side will be equal. So operation is that union. So you can find similar these values. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Here B part is given. B part is that A is equal to X such that X belongs to Z plus. Z plus means positive integers. Now A X less than or equal to 5. Then B is equal to, we have given a, this is a set builder form in the form of set builder form. So X such that X belongs to integer, only integer, and there is a restriction 1 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 4. This is a condition here and this is the condition of A set. So we find a proof that commutative properties. So commutative property with respect to union this and with respect to intersection this. So first we write in tabular form. So A is equal to positive integer, V means X less than or equal to means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our values. Have set builder form, I write in form of tabular form. So I only proved intersection. So commutative property with respect to intersection. So A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Similarly, we can find out this value. So A intersection B is equal to A. We have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So B intersection A B intersection B है, we have given a 1 2 3 4 intersection 1 2 3 4 5. So B intersection of A is equal to 1 2 3 and 4. You can see the commutative property proved with respect to intersection, and also you can prove these values you have given. So prove that A intersection B is equal to B union A बराबर equal to A union B. You can find similar this. So today exercise 1.2 is completing. That's all today. We will meet again inshallah.